Let's solve this GATE DS&AI 2024 question. GATE DA 2024 question. Given the relation schema R, this relation schema is given to you, the set of functional dependencies are given to you. The question is asking which of the following functional dependencies can be derived from the above set. Okay, this set of functional dependencies, this will imply which of these FDs. Okay, which of these FDs can be derived from this set of FDs. So this is what the question is asking. So let's solve it. This is very simple question. Tell me one thing. If I give you this set of FD and I ask you, can you derive option A? Let's take each option one by one. Okay, let me focus on option A. Now, from this set of FDs, can I derive this FD? Then what you will do? Then what you are going to do? How to solve it? Very simple. See, basically we want to ask that in this set of FDs, okay, can VW determine YZ? Yes or no? The question is asking that in this set of FDs, can VW determine YZ? So what you are going to check? You will check that in this set of FDs, you will check what VW can determine. Yes or no? Okay, in this you check what VW can determine. If VW can determine YZ, okay, if VW can determine YZ, then I can say that this FD is derived from this FD set. Yes or no? From these FDs, I can derive this functional dependency. Very simple point. Yes or no? So this is the concept. Now you apply this concept. Okay. So let's see. In this, tell me what VW can determine. Basically, in this FD set, this is your FD set. In this, you find what is VW closure. Tell me what VW closure is. What is VW closure? You can see VW can determine VW by reflexivity. Okay. So VW can determine VW. Next, you can see what else you can derive. See, we can derive X. Yes or no? This V, this can derive X. Okay. So V can derive X. Now, these VWX, what they can derive? You can see WX, this WX, this can derive Y. Yes or no? This can derive Y. Okay. Next, you can see WX can derive Z. WX can derive Z. Now, can I stop? I want to check option A. Can I stop? Yes, I can stop because you can see, okay, what we have seen that in this FD set, you can see that VW determines YZ. Yes or no? Is this clear? We got it. We got this. You can see that VW determines YZ. Okay, so I can say that from this FD set, you can derive this FD. So this is definitely correct. Okay, so we can derive this FD. Is this clear? But of course, if you want, you can find the complete VW plus. Tell me, what is the complete closure of VW? So you can see you got VWXYZ. What else you can determine? VWXYZ. So VWXYZ. What else you can determine? That's it. Yes or no? Nothing else. That's it. So very simple. I can say that VW can determine YW. YZ. Sorry, this is YZ. Okay. So option A, that is definitely correct. What about option B? Let's check option B. Tell me about option B. See, the question is asking, can this FD be derived from this FD set? Okay. So what you will do? You will find out that in this set of functional dependency, what WX will determine. Yes or no? You will check what WX will determine. If WX determines YZ, then I can say that this functional dependency can be derived from the above set. Yes or no? So very simple. What you will do, you will find what is the closure of WX. Okay, so let's find out the closure of WX. That will be what? Let's see. WX can determine WX by reflexivity. So WX, this can determine WX. What else? You can see WX can determine Z also. Okay, now WXZ, what they can determine? You can see WX can determine Y also. Okay, Y also. Can I stop? Can I stop right now? Yes, I can stop because I got YZ. I got YZ means from this set of FDs, I got WX determines YZ. Okay, yes or no? So definitely I can say that this option B can be derived. Okay, but anyway, you tell me the complete closure of WX. What is the complete closure of WX? So WX can determine WXZY. Okay, anything else? Nothing else. Yes or no? That's it. Okay. Now let's move on. Let's check option number C. What about option number C? Tell me. For this option number C, what you will do? In this given set of FDs, you will find VW closure. Okay, let's find what VW can determine in this given set of FDs. What this VW can determine. Okay, so VW closure, that will be VW. Now you can see we can determine X. Okay, we can determine X. Next, you can see VWX, what they can determine. See, WX can determine this WX. The WX can determine Z comma Y. Okay, Z comma Y. Yes or no? So that's it. Now, finally, you can easily see that we cannot determine U. Yes or no? Yes or no? So from here, you can see that VW does not determine U. Okay, VW cannot determine U. Okay, so that is the reason I can say this cannot be derived. So option C cannot be derived. Okay, this cannot be derived from given FD set. Yes or no? Very simple, from given FD set. Okay. Now, what about this last one? Tell me about this option D. For option D, what you will do? In this FD set, you will find what is the closure of VW. Okay, the closure of VW, that will be VW. VW can determine VW. Next, we can determine X. Next, VWX, what they can determine? Notice WX can determine Y, comma Z. Okay, WX can determine Y, comma Z. That's it, nothing else. So you can easily see that from this FD set, what we got? We got this. So VW can determine Y. Yes or no? So definitely this can be derived. Okay. Now, finally, what is the answer? This is MSQ question. Let me tell you, this is multi-select question. Multiple options can be correct. Okay. The question is asking which of the following functional dependencies can be derived from the set. So the answer will be option A, B, D. A, B, D. Okay. Is this clear? So this type of questions are very easy. If set of functional dependency is given to you and the question is asking which of the following functional dependency you can derive, okay, then what you will do? Very simple. In this FD set, you find the closure of the LHS. Yes or no? Only find the closure of the LHS, and then you can easily see which FD can be derived from the given FD set. Okay, very simple question.